Thursday, September the 3rd, 2020.
Don't in a mature massage my vice box.
Smile. This house belongs to you.
My body soul and a king body. Body gon' shine, bling bling body. Pulling out shots, ring body. Crown on your head, got a king body. Don't have a key, you a king, you know it. King already, my baby, you know it. Top everything, everything, you know it. King already, you know it. Shine already, it's time already. 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 Can't stop it, listen, no.
Box cover, this is Duttyberry and welcome to another top 10 social media countdown. So let's get right into it.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things that going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama when you want, you for tuning to the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like a hymn. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them sort me out. What happening of the week, yo, just tune in, scene.
Number 10, Jada and Shenseea show love. Me bungo bang ringing. Alright, so you know say some time ago Shenseea and Jada Kingdom them they have a little beef, them they have a little squabble, but all of that has changed since the whole entire coronavirus. I guess they've had a change of heart and the two are making amends. They are trying to rebuild their friendship. So recently Shenseea and Jada they started to follow back each other, and then after that now Jada made a post saying that she is the #1 trending girl, and then you know Shenseea commented and said, yeah man, trending girl. So it shows them kind of try to foster back that unity, and that must be commended and celebrated. So I want to applause for all of that love right about now. Okay, so you know, so anytime you have the goodness, you always have some sort of crosses which drop in the middle of that. And I have to point out that you know Shenseea, she you know got into a motor vehicle accident recently, and this is what she had to say.
Says like I'm a swing out now, is that the water buckle are full one, so you know, go underneath my brake and jam between under my brake and palm the gas. So when me I go for catch break now, because for sure me even I look ahead of me now because I'm ready now for wrap up and reverse. So when me ready for wrap up, when me ready for catch whole break now for go in a reverse parking, me I know what you say, me just hear the engine a rev out. And me I say what the go so, and I break me there pan. I want the part me just hear something like when me look, by the time I look down, I don't crash already. Because me I tell you, when me I driving at the place, and I say, yo, me now.
Okay, so the good thing about that is that everything is well. It was just minor injuries, and she will be back to her 100% self in just a matter of time. And one of the things that we want for dropping now is, you know, Shenseea manager, a very big celebrity manager by the name of Ramesh Entertainment. People have long been speculating that the two might just be more than just like co-workers and you know like boss and employee. And boy, just watch a little video here of how Ramesh takes pictures of Shenseea.
No, but Jesus, you know what you.
Hey, if your manager or your friend don't take a picture like this, tell them
Angus, best manager in the world. Angus! Angus!
No, you see when you take pictures like this, when you reach on the ground, and a normal thing. And not just anybody, you put out all of them effort here for. Ramesh is going down. No, I don't like how that sound a while ago. I don't like, no, I'm not, nope, not saying that at all. But you know, Berry, what do you think of Jada and Shenseea, you know, trying to make amends with their friendship? Sound off below. Number 9, Muscle Man, me Johnny Bravo. Alright, so I'm seeing a video on Facebook now with this brother. No, I don't know how much I have a feedback, but this brother look like him have the strength of Samson and Goliath. Pray.
YouTube now I see.
Oh wow, no, them type of strength here don't normal at all. I do not know what this man cannot do. Imagine them use that for lift up with him teeth. And the same denture, no, I can't the same enamel, the same, what the other part of the teeth that you learn about in a school. You have the canines, yes, you have the canines, you have the what name dental fricative. Why did I reach to my brain just now? Oh my god, that is some linguistics knowledge. Wow, this is embarrassing. Anyway, well that is it. Let me know what you think about this strongman people sound now. Number 8, the new national anthem. Well, let me just not say it is not the Eternal Father, bless our land. Kartel. No, I'm not talking about that one. This is now the new national anthem for Jamaican men. And it is from this brother by the name of Invasion, a new artist. And him have one song named Them Girl They're Wicked. And you might have known him from the BBC Extra. BBC One Extra performance.
I don't know how them so wicked, why them so wicked, but I know so them girl ya wicked, Shani B. Me really check.
Yeah, but it look like so right about now these brother that were, having a little get together, they decided so they have to go call the meeting to order by, standing up and making that pledge to the national anthem for Jamaican men. Pre!
Right on.
Them gyal ya wicked, them wicked, them wicked. Them gyal ya wicked, them wicked, them wicked. I don't know how them so wicked, why them so wicked, but
From the country.
me really check me out, but no cash never day night. Me link her on the digit and she tell me join the line. If me did crack a bed, I will pay my salary.
That's great.
Why are Jamaican people like this? Why are Jamaican people like this? But it's actually reality though. You have Wolipa wicked girl out there. So you have Wolipa demon girl that exists and then that existed. Why my mouth just cannot cooperate today? That existeth. Ready? Existeth. Let me know, Burritos. Do you agree? Are a lot of Jamaican women wicked? Sound off below.
Got me here some grapes. These are Jamaican grapes. As you can see, they're not ripe, but when they're ripe, they have a yellowish, purplish color. They're still green.
Number 7, Amari arrested. Milakan King. Alright, so let me just run into this story here because this came as quite a surprise. So they might know Amari.
Remember me, cyberspace queen.
Alright, so they might know Amari as one of Gully Bop's ex-women. Or they know Chin, and then there is Amari. So it looked like she visited Jamaica and book up on some problems. So let me just read you what the Observer said. So them say US entertainer Amari with a Florida address has been charged by the police after allegedly breaching self-quarantine orders when she was seen at several places following her arrival in the island. I know how she got seen because Amari have a reality show on Facebook that she posts every single thing that she is doing. You get a minute by minute breakdown and she gets way by engagement because I think people are honestly fascinated with her life. They don't know what true from where false, but them just there for tuning. And Amari alone, I will the tourists them come here and just go all about the place because, them just feel like it. But where else the very does do you feel bad for Amari? Do you think that she should have followed the rules? Sound up down below. Number 6, election time. But let me just tell you this now. So apparently, everybody kind of on high alert because they must say Andrew Holness, the Prime Minister of Jamaica, he might be calling the election at any moment now. And so in rush the parliament to the garden outside and decked out in them Clarks to match him outfit. Now right about now, we just on Twitter a while ago, Mr. Rushka mentioned saying there should be a fixed election date. And me be like, people have been calling for that from a long time ago. I can't bother with this whole suspense thing. I don't know what is this thing. After I watch the patch and time, I wait for a new episode for come back out for my favorite reality TV show. We need a fixed election date so we just can know when it's just reps. And then after have them one bag of anticipation here and them theatrics here leading up to the date.
Today, Tuesday, the 11th day of August 2020. Consequently, the date fixed for the taking of the polls, that is the general elections for the year 2020, is therefore Thursday, September the 3rd, 2020.
Oh, in the middle of all of this, poor Mr. Shah was seen sleeping in a garden house. Boy, oh boy, but the heat will really have you do, like, time after true. Like, honestly, take a look at breather, yeah, man. But anyway, what on the seven readers? Fixed election date or not? Sound off below. Number 5, TikTok dancer. Me dancehall queen. Alright, this case is not really a dancehall queen. I guess it's more like a dancehall king. But this brother decided to just box for every single competition. So right about now, I think say Renee 630, sure, dancehall queen Carly and Kiva, them have like 5 days for respond to this. Pre. So, if that is your talent, brother, then you do what you have got to do. If that is your talent, you just do what you have to do. You will get the support and whatever you are needed, okay? Number 4, Spice Surprise. Okay, so let me just tell you this. Like, there are some celebrities that have gone to YouTube. And, you know, some people and everybody pull it off. But I'm telling you this. You see Wayne Marshall and Tommy Chin, Jesus people. Oh, gosh, yes. Big up them. And then you have Spice Official, like, you know, big man thing, we really just love to see Spice when she's enjoying herself with her family. And one thing, you know, Uno might say, you know, like Spice kind of cantankerous when she's ready, but you cannot deny the love what she has for her kids. You absolutely can't just see how she look on them and how she work hard, that everything that she does is all for her kids. And you have to salute that, you have to respect it, and you just have to come in there when this is she have, you know, make her strides them in her life.
You gotta read it aloud so everybody can hear, but you gotta read it together, okay?
Okay.
Go, alright. Loud.
I know I've been away from you, but you are the reason for the things I do. I work so hard to make our dreams come true. Every sacrifice was just for you. I hope you know that I love you. Everything I do is for you. Now you have not one but two smiles. This house belongs.
Okay? Alright. Okay. Honestly, you know, when I watch that, I tell myself, say, I'm not going to get, you know, emotional, but, it just, you know, it's just that je ne sais quoi. Big up yourself, Spice. I need a moment. Boy, burritos, the parents that may watch this right now, I'm sure saying, you know, emotional as well. Because boy, I just know that a lot of parents, especially mothers, like, these are the type of things that you love to pass on to your kids. And not all parents get to that point where they can really just, you know, award and reward their kids like this and set them up for the future. But like, if you can, go out and do it, because I'm sure it must be something that is very, very satisfying. Big up yourself, Spice and burritos. Let me know what you thought when you watched this video. Number 3, Elephant Man drop me bomb. Alright, so dancehall artist Elephant Man performed recently for the Jamaican independence, you know, celebrations. And so while doing one of the virtual performances, virtual shows, in the there, I know Elephant Man thing is usually to show up him like a Popeye strength, or him get, you know, like a strong body girl and them run from one end and then catch them.
Pull up, I'm never ready. Miss Poppy Great, this is wicked. No, hear me now. Ladies, I'm energy god. The stage was slippery. Oh, I threw with a sweat.
Alright, so burritos, let me know what you thought about this moment. Did you laugh out loud or were you more concerned for Ellie? Sound off below.
Right about now, it's time for the big up segment.
Well done. Before the girls, them sexy and run long. Sing along. Well then, big up every now.
Alright, so right now on the big up segment, I just have to go and big up every one of the burritos who watch the social media countdown and support this channel. Alright, so right now on the big up segment, I have to big up one of the viewers, the people who support the social media countdown for the past 5 years. We really appreciate it, and I know sometimes, you know, like life hard, and if you want to take a look at time at the end of the week or whichever time you want to take for really watch my videos and watch the ads them as well, you know, I'm really grateful and it means a lot. So big up on yourself, and I hope you have a great rest of the month and rest of the year. May I wish all kind of money and all kind of blessings and all lonely and nobody. I wish you to find somebody and all of them because goodness there, okay? Push it into the universe. Phew. And all who watching this right now, all the ladies watching this right now, but I just throw like a pregnancy pound now. The joke. I joke, I'm thinking about a joke. Number 2, Jamaican WAP remix. Me out the order. Okay. Alright, so recently Cardi B and Meg Thee Stallion teamed up for the WAP single, and it created quite a buzz all over the globe. Now, many people online decided to just talk about how raunchy and explicit the lyrics were and felt that it was degrading women and not making women look like they are, what you call it, like sophisticated enough. And boy, my stance on that, I just like, hey, If man can sing about, sexual stuff, I think female have the right to sing about sexual stuff as well. And it's just the balance of life. You have a little bit of ray and you have a little bit of prey. That is just how life works. So, anyhow, anytime you have little excitement with singles like this, Jamaican people always jump in and do a little remix, whether or not it was legal, Jamaican way. And so, first up, Vybz Kartel jumped in with his WAP. Oh, I'm going to say FAP. Jesus Christ. I'm going to say Kartel jumped in with film FAP remix. Oh my God. Kartel jumped in with the WAP remix and boy.
Yes, I slowed like real fast in Las Vegas. Digo.
I mean, we can't play the whole of it right now, but I felt like it could have been stronger, but it's still Kartel, so it's still gonna be cool, And then now, the one who really take the cake and the icing as well is Ishawna, Miss Equal Right. She jumped into the chat.
Make that pull out game weak. Pink tongue pan a big black cock. Down in a mature massage my vice box.
Oh my Ishawna, like I know that Ishawna was a little naughty girl, but I never know Ishawna was like that naughty. Like it's when you say freak and when you say excitement and festivities, you can't do that without putting Ishawna as a part of the conversation. It's like that girl just come to life anytime you have a conversation that have anything to do with that little spirituality of the tabooness that existed. Anything we have a little, Ishawna just has to present herself. She does so well at it. It's like I can't believe that Ishawna was holding all of this back when she was just coming up on the scene, and all of that was inside of Ishawna's brain. Ishawna come like she could have played one of the Disney auntie, one of the Disney cousin back when she started out, and to believe that Ishawna have all of that inside of her for so long. And that's why she released so like now, because it pent up, it a boil there, bubble. Ishawna wanted to just release her, the little virgin. And big up yourself, Ishawna, for that, because you are arrived. You are arrived and you totally killed the remix. Safari jump in there too, but that could have kind of stayed too, but big up yourself, Safari, still. But Ishawna, boy, oh boy, that's all I have to say. It's like right about now, like my ears, these are need a baptism. But when you thought of the fact, why we keep on saying fact? What do you think of the WAP remixes Berrydo's sound off below? And number one goes to the versus this. Woo! Why am I clapping? So Jamaica getting this. I do not know why, but whoa. My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. So the number one spot goes to the versus this. Boy, let me just jump into it quick and fast. So anyhow, when some time ago, Jamaica was featured on the versus battle. We had Bounty Killer versus Beanie Man.
Batman play ready, play ready. We are from the street and go street.
And it created quite a buzz on the international and social media scene, with the Jamaica getting like over, much million impressions based on, just like engagement and views right across different platforms. And now, so Billboard magazine decided to do an article and created, a poster of the whole versus competition thing, and they put on Swiss Beats, then put up Timbaland as well. They had Kirk Franklin, they had Alicia Keys, I think they had Usher as well, and right up on all of them was something there was not any Bounty Killer and Beanie Man. And that just get the whole Caribbean Jamaican nation cross, hungry, and miserable. Don't the Beanie Man himself put out and say, really, Billboard, do you really want to be that guy? It looked like say they are wanted to. And many people were very upset with it, so much to the point that Swiss Beats took to his social media on his Instagram story to redo the poster that was created by Billboard, omitted himself and Timbaland, and instead put Bounty Killer and Beanie Man, and basically said that, they are really the pioneers, they're the ones that really kind of changed the game in terms of how the versus competition looks like, and it couldn't have been done without them and their contribution. And I have to go ahead and agree, but I also understand the business side of it, is that if this is an American magazine, then they're going to want to feature the people who they feel like American people can resonate with, or who are the bigger names and bigger celebrities. And I think that was it, because when you watch John Legend and Alicia Keys, I tell you, almost 200,000 people in China and live when Bounty Killer and Beanie Man was there. We had like more than half of that, like twice the amount of viewers. And so, and everybody could have made a cover, but I did just feel that based on how Beanie Man and Bounty Killer, how their clash changed the entire look of the versus battle, they're supposed to depend it. So hopefully next time the graphic people them and the writer come together and kind of actually, think about it and who they're putting to represent the series. Because when you just a little feel a little way, I'm gonna like a little idea that Jamaican music and or Jamaican artists will always contribute and represent for the culture so much, and at the end of the day, they want to come put you in the back seat like so we are Rosa Parks and them something there. No, because even Rosa Parks they have to stand up and fight for fair rights, and that is what we are doing right now. So Bounty and Beanie, now watch the face, I'm sure say on the impact for the competition will always stand out in the people in mind, on just that much way like significant to the culture. That is all. And Billboard, that's all I have to say. That's it. Anyhow, my readers, we've come to the end of another social media top 10 countdown. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please to hit the thumbs up button, turn on your post notification as well as to share the video if you enjoyed the countdown, and to leave a comment down below and let me know what was your favorite part of this week's countdown. If you want to follow me on social media, please to follow me at DuttyBerryShow on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, TikTok, all over. If you want to advertise within the countdown or to shoot me an email, just message me at DuttyBerryShow@gmail.com. Okay, so take care until next time. Peace out.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want.